I'm Stephanie, and I'm a specialist with Cutco at Home. Now, pretty much all Cutco knives are made in America, so we are not made in China. We are an affordable type thing, but all of our Cutco products are sharper. You know, they're better knives. You're not going to get some cheap brand like Walmart. And I want to show you my kit. I just got it in the mail. So I get to unbox my kit. You can purchase your kit for $104, including tax, if you do want to join. But you can't join under me until I hit 300 in sales. I take orders through online, so if you're interested in purchasing some Cutco, just let me know. You can comment below, like and share my video, and please subscribe. I'm also a mom of 3 and pregnant with twins, so I thought doing something from home would be a great thing to do. So now we're going to open the Cutco package, which using one of those cheapo knives from Walmart, and as you can see, it's kind of, I'm going to have to open this twice, so it's not really going through the package to open it. Alright, see what comes in your Cutco kit. Which just shows Cutco at Home, which I used to be with Cutco a long time ago, and I honestly didn't like the company very much because I couldn't sell online, and it only had to be to married couples at their home to do demos and to do parties. That was the only option there was. And I'm very happy that now Cutco has the Cutco at Home, and you're able to actually sell your products from online and show your products off. That's the biggest thing, showing the products off. So the first thing is, welcome to Cutco at Home. Number 1, cut stuff. Make sure you're using a Cutco cutting board and cutting forward and down. You get the trimmer, which is a small utility knife for small to medium-sized foods. Also great for trimming fat from meat. Use it to slice a tomato and see how cleanly it slices. You'll get the traditional cheese knife, a spatula spreader. And it shows how I can log into Cutco. And also they have training online, so you can watch your training modules. And first is you will want to have a clientele or a base, pretty much what clients would be interested in Cutco and the products. And if you like to enjoy cooking at home, you know, if you're a chef, you like to bake. What about this? Do you like to garden? I mean, there's so many options with Cutco. I can eventually do the grand opening. I have Facebook, so I can eventually do my grand opening on Facebook and show off my products and show you a little bit of demos. So first, you get pretty much your Cutco at Home with all, I guess, these are with all the products of pretty much the book and all your order slips. This has all your order slips in this, if I can get it out of the package. This has pretty much all your order slips. So you get the Cutco little magazines that you can sit there and send to your friends. And I really recommend that when you do sign up for Cutco, or even order from me and you want to check out these magazines, I can send when you want in the mail. And eventually when you join, buy labels and put your name, your address, and your phone number on the back of your magazines so your customers can personally call you. That's like the biggest thing, or even email you if they have any questions. So there's the magazines. Here comes with if you decide you want to, this is for to win a $500 shopping spree. So if you decide that you want to buy something, and we can enter you into a shopping spree to win the $500 shopping spree of free Cutco. Put that back in there. I also have my order slips and all my product detail and my price list for pretty much for the Cutco. I'm going to put this all back together because I don't want to lose anything. And pretty much I just have all the materials for when you're showing off your product in a person's home. Okay, my next thing is I have a medium-sized cutting board. So here is our Cutco cutting board. Looks like a pretty heavy-duty cutting board. I'm going to start off with, we have one of our knives. This is a vegetable peeler, or you can use it for potatoes. Here's one of the knives. I'm not sure which one this one is. Since I am new to Cutco again, I'm going to have to learn all my knives. And these are all the knives it comes with. It comes with the sheaths. So, I mean, there is a lot of product in here with the kit. So, and these are all right now on loan. And these right here are the Cutco scissors, which I personally love. They are a little bit pricey, but they are managed by 100% money back guarantee. So you don't have to, if they break, send them in, get your money back. I mean, these are like those really heavy duty scissors. These are really heavy duty. And I'm not sure if this one's still, yes, they come apart. They do. These are the ones that come apart. You just put it back on there and snap it back on. Okay. These are so much heavy duty than the ones you get at Walmart, and they're like the blades are pretty thin, and they won't go through like anything when you cut. Or like the blade gets really dull really quick. Cutco products, I'm very surprised of how, how their products are so sharp and their blades don't dull so quick like normal knives and normal scissors. So their products are really nice. And those are some heavy duty scissors. And when you do hold scissors, you don't want to face them up like this. You never want to run with scissors. You want to hold your scissors like this, so you do not cut anybody. I'll put these back in the Cutco box. Now I'm going to open the actual, the knives and everything, what it came with. So we're going to open up the knives. I'm going to go through here and see what other knives it came with. I'm pretty sure this is the chef knife. And it shows you how to seal the sheath on your knife, because Cutco knives are very sharp, so you do not want to cut yourself. You want to be very careful when opening your knives and properly putting on your sheath with what a sheath is, which covers your knife so you don't cut yourself. These are actually harder to open than I thought. So it shows you pretty much how you put your sheath on. And this, yes, I'm pretty sure this is the Cutco chef knives, or the micro double D edge. Now when you open, when you open these knives, it'll show on your sheath how to open it. You want to grip here and take that sheath off. This sheath is not made out of like the cheap plastic. Pretty much this is pretty heavy duty plastic to keep your knives safe. and out of harm's way for even children. You can see, look how shiny that is. You literally see my computer. But these, they're all made out of Olean, New York. And these are very sharp, so like I said, be careful with your knives. Knife safety tips. So now if you want to put your sheath back on, and you want to lock it into place so it stays put. Alright, our next knife. This one is I'm pretty sure it's just the double D edge knife. I don't know. I have to go through and learn up on my knives. Or this is a cheese knife. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know much about knives. So I'm still learning. So it's just nice to have. So I'm not going to open all these, but here's this one. Yeah, this one, this is a spatula or like spreading butter on something, or you can even use it for if you're baking a cake and you're spreading buttercream on your cake. There's another thing you can use this one for, so a spatula spreader, which they're actually pretty sharp too, so you want to be careful. Now this one looks like a normal knife that you just cut, like cutting fat off meat, cutting vegetables, cut tomatoes. And then go through and open this one and see what this one is. This is a thin knife. Okay, this one is the trimmer. This one's a trimmer knife. So this is the one that you cut the fat off and like cut your tomatoes, and like a normal and everyday knife. And the one I showed you earlier, I think was this one. I don't know. It's a little confusing at first. Here's something you peel your potatoes with. You peel your vegetables, even avocados, fruits, whatever you need it for. Like I said, these are pretty heavy duty. So guys, that's what all comes in your Cutco at home kit. Now, since it's based online too, you can sell from online, have party socials online. Except you can't order online. You can only order through me. So if you're interested in ordering and want to know more about Cutco at home and what we offer and everything that has to do with Cutco, then just comment below. You better share this video and subscribe. You have a wonderful day.